Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sky Dragon Guild Battles game crashing or not working, not launching, lagging, freezing, keep stopping, black screen or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, click the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, launch the game and check. If not, you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once done, open the game and check. If not, next method is to storage clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Once done, now after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you are suggested to search for Sky Dragon Guild Battle Games, and after that, here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check. If you cannot launch the game or other kind of issues occur, you are suggested to use a VPN. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of them, log into it, and after that, change the location and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, and then click on uninstall. After this, you are suggested to go to Google Play Store and the search option, search for the game Sky Dragon Guild Battles. After that, and here you have to click on install option. Once you install the game, launch the game once again and then check if the game is opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.